What's going on, YouTube? We got a 2021 Jeep Cherokee here. I'm going to show you how to replace the purge solenoid. It's very easy, and it's a very common problem on these. The code we got is the P0441 evap purge system performance. Now what happens is these valves, they either get stuck closed or stuck open, and allowing it to purge all the time, or this hose will pop off and setting a false code because this hose doesn't fit tight anymore because it swells. Anyways, you get a new hose with the valve, so that'll eliminate that problem. I'm doing this with one hand because I left my camera at home and I'm doing it with my phone, so bear with me. You got to take that cover off right there. You just pull up on it to get access to the valve right there by the throttle body. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Let's get this done. First thing you're going to do is unplug it, push down on that tab, pull out, then push in on your hose. We'll pull it up first. Hold on, I'm going to set this down. You got to push this down. Give me a second. Sorry I couldn't get that on camera because I had to set it down, but you push this in. Push in on it, then push down on that, and then pull out. Then pull this off the intake. Grab your new valve. Push that down. You'll feel it's way tighter. Seat it in that little area right there in the intake. Slide it over on the bracket, or not. Plug your hose in first. Sorry, like I said, I'm doing this with one hand. Push until you hear it click. This rubber's wanting to come out of it now, so let's just push the rubber over first. Or not. Hold on. Let me pull the rubber back off and put it back in the valve first. Yep, get in there. Okay, now slide it over. Final, plug your connector in. Make sure everything's on. Can't pull that off. Nice and tight. Reset your check engine light. Put your cover back on. Like I said, sorry about the difficulties, but I was doing this with one hand. So if y'all don't like this video, y'all know what to do. If you do, you know what to do. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.